Hi, everybody. Happy Monday. Thank you for joining me. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C. Our clients, however, are all throughout the United States. We can help them with their immigration cases no matter where they are located in the United States, perhaps even outside of the United States. So I come on here live to just talk about immigration. I know immigration can be super complicated for folks, so we just come on here to talk about immigration. So you guys have a better feel for it. Maybe we can have some questions answered. If you'd like to talk about your specific case, of course, we need to give legal advice. And the way we do that is through a consultation. So you can schedule a consultation by going on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration is the handle. You can check out our website, learn more about me, learn more about the team. You can do that by going to our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Or you can hang out here, right? You can call our office, hang out here, and just learn about immigration. But unfortunately, what we're giving you is not going to be specific to your case, right? Everyone's situation is a little bit different. So what the information we're providing here is just general information. If you'd like some specific information about your case or someone else's case, please call our office, go on our Facebook page, or go on our website and schedule a consultation. The phone number for our office is 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, this is all very exciting. Thanks for putting your questions in. If you haven't joined me before, let me introduce myself. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C., but my clients are all throughout the United States. Our team works on immigration applications that are pretty broad in topic areas. So we have some employment-based cases. Now is the time for all those H-1Bs, you guys. This is a good opportunity to ask some H-1B questions if you would like. But usually the employer is our client. So if you're thinking about an H-1B, you will need to have your employer contact us, okay? You can ask questions here, though. I'm happy to answer and provide information about H-1Bs. Employment-based cases are just one thing that we do. We do a lot of VAWA and humanitarian cases, and you'll see we talk a lot about VAWA here because most people don't know about VAWA. They don't realize it's an option, and they're in the situation where they're being abused and they're being stuck, and we are here to spread the word that there are options available, okay? So feel free to reach out to us if you or someone you know is married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. They're experiencing some abuse in their marriage. They live with them, or maybe they don't live with them anymore, but it was a real marriage and not just for immigration. They may be eligible for a green card on their own without the help of their spouse. So give us a call at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I'm streaming on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok right now. So that's Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. And feel free to put your questions in here. Again, what I'm providing is general information. So hang tight. If you want to talk to me about your case, please schedule a consultation, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page right now, look at my availability, and you can book your consultation right now if you would like. And that's Agarwal Immigration is our handle. Also check out our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. All right. Here's a really common question I get from my VAWA clients, you guys. This is a very common question that I get, and it's our question of the day for today, which is, can I remarry while my VAWA is pending, right? So can I get remarried while my VAWA application is pending? So no, you cannot get remarried, right? Because VAWA is an application that it's an application based on abuse in a marriage. So you're getting benefits because you've been a victim of abuse. Okay, so if you get remarried, right, it will cancel out your VAWA case. It will not be approved. So keep that in mind. Okay, keep that in mind. If I can help you, I would love to help with your VAWA cases. You can reach out to us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, Samuel. Hi, thanks for joining. I think you've been on before. Welcome back. Say hello, guys, if you're watching, and you just say hello, introduce yourself. Let me know where you're watching from. If you have a question about immigration, I'm happy to give you some information. So please go ahead and put that into the chat. We're streaming on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. So that's Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. We have 81 people here on TikTok. So hi, Santi. So it says hello. Hi, Manisha. Hi, Annette. Hi, G. Hi, Sabrine. Hi, Evelyn. So many folks joining. So great. This is really exciting to learn about immigration. Again, if you haven't followed us already, follow us and like us on TikTok, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States. Immigration laws are the same for anyone all throughout the United States, so we can help you no matter where you are located, okay? If you want to share this post with others, now is a good time so they can join us in this immigration conversation. All right, guys. Okay, so Samuel says, can I renew my driver's license with a work permit extension, right? So can I renew my driver's license with a work permit extension? That's a really good question. So driver's license is a state-specific thing. So driver's license rules vary in different states. So technically, you have work authorization, right? If that's what they're looking for. You have work authorization based on your EAD card and the receipt notice from the extension. So that will many times, right, not all categories, many times automatically extend your work authorization. But whether or not the DMV, the driver's license, the Department of Motor Vehicles in your state will accept that is up to them because it's state specific. And I'm unfamiliar and I can't necessarily advise on that because we only work with immigration. So I would advise you to call them and see if you have a pending adjustment of status application. The receipt notice for that might work in some situations. But keep in mind that the people that are at the DMV don't necessarily understand immigration laws. They don't really understand what these different things mean. So you may have to educate them or talk to a manager. So you do have status to be here, to be present while your adjustment of status application is pending. So you can provide that receipt notice and maybe that will help. Okay, I hope that is helpful to you guys. Let me know if you have any questions on that, Samuel. G says, hi, ma'am, I got my prima facie after 4 months. Congratulations. What's next now? So what comes after a prima facie determination in a VAWA case? Well, lots of things, right? The prima facie determination is the first step. It's sort of like a pre-approval of your case. It's the best place you can be once you filed a VAWA application. What comes after that usually is your biometrics appointment. If you're doing VAWA and a green card, biometrics appointment, and after that, a month after that would be work authorization and travel authorization if you've concurrently filed for adjustment of status as well. All right, if I can help you with your immigration case, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'd love to chat with you about your immigration case. So feel free to call our office or go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com, to view my availability, schedule your consultation so we can talk about how to get you guys in status, how to maybe change status or get a green card, or all of the types of questions that come to me, okay? I'm an immigration attorney. I run the consultations. During the consultation, we'll go through your immigration goals and we'll go through any obstacles, go over your immigration history, and then figure out how, if there is a way to help get you in status or to help you achieve those goals. So it would be all of the process that's involved, the timing of everything, the benefits that you are going to receive, right? So we're going to go through a lot of different things, and it's very specific to you and your immigration history, okay? Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. G says, thank you so much, ma'am. Your videos are so helpful. Great, awesome. This is just a reminder, guys, if you don't already follow us and like us on our social media, please do. G here is watching from YouTube. So YouTube has a lot of information. If you want to check that out, follow us, like us. We're also on Facebook and TikTok. So we are available. Information is out there if we can help you. And I'm here live to talk to you about some things that maybe we haven't covered in some of our videos, okay? Awesome. Hi, NM. Great. Okay, here's another question. Do I need a restraining order to qualify for VAWA? Do I need to take out a restraining order on my abusive spouse in order to apply for VAWA? So to qualify for VAWA, you need a few things, right? So you need to, if you're going to do it based on marriage, you need to have a spouse who is a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. You need to have lived with them for any amount of time. It has to be a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes, and there has to be abuse in that marriage. So nowhere here does it say police report or restraining order. If you have that, of course, we would include that because that's more evidence of abuse. But our clients have been successful with a detailed declaration of the various types of abuse in their marriage. And we've been successful with VAWA based on that. So if we can help you with your VAWA case, I think that is the most crucial piece of evidence in your VAWA case is your declaration, your detailed declaration of the abuse. So if we can help you, give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Okay? So NM says, so can someone remarry after a VAWA approval, but before the green card interview? So I would advise against it. If you're applying for a green card based on VAWA, you want to still be eligible for VAWA when you're going to receive that green card, right? So I would not do any of that until my immigration status is 100% settled. NM, I hope that's helpful to you. Okay. This is another really common situation that comes up is whether you can apply for VAWA if your abusive spouse has already filed a marriage-based petition for you, right? Can I apply for VAWA if I already have an I-130 pending? This is a very important question, and it's very, very common. So many times you have a spouse who has been kind of iffy, and there is abuse, emotional, right? Emotional, verbal abuse in the marriage, more mental abuse. And they've started your green card process. But during that whole process, they are holding it over your head. They're using this green card as a way to control you. They're threatening to withdraw the petition if you don't do certain things or when they get angry with you, right? If that is happening, you can file for VAWA because what that does is it takes the green card process out of your spouse's hands. It's then fully in your control. It's based on abuse in the marriage. It's confidential from your spouse. Let that process move on, right? Let that process move on. If they want to withdraw it, fine. Let them withdraw it. You have your own thing going, right? You've taken control of your own immigration process. And when you're in an abusive marriage, that means the world, right, guys? Give us a call if we can help you with your VAWA case. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, let me run through some of your other questions. How long is the wait time for VAWA? It's a great question. How long is the wait time for VAWA? So to have a VAWA approval, it's usually about 1.5 years, right? Some of our cases have taken longer than that. Others have been much shorter. So some have gone up to 3 years. Others have been approved with a green card in 10 months. So there's a wide range in how long VAWA cases can take. But remember with VAWA, you get benefits almost right away. So you get this prima facie determination in just a few months. Okay, and that's kind of like a pre-approval of your case. It might make you eligible for public benefits if you're in removal proceedings. It kind of helps you, it helps perhaps close out your removal case, okay? So there's a lot of benefits that come with a VAWA prima facie determination, all right? So that comes in just a couple of months. If you've applied for VAWA and a green card, you should. If you qualify, you absolutely should file for VAWA and a green card as soon as you can, or even at the same time for most people that we work with. You can file it at the same time, and you will get work authorization in approximately 6 months or so. So there's a lot of benefits to applying for VAWA, and VAWA and a green card, of course. So give us a call, even though that process might take a long time. You see so many benefits along the way, Okay, call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or you can go on our website, agarwalimmigration.com, to schedule your consultation. You can see my availability right there, and you can schedule a consultation. All right. I hope that's helpful to you guys. I hope I can provide you some more information. I know we have so many questions here, and I will try to get to them. All right, Mr. or Ms. I'm good says, stepchild, what type of evidence is used in the USA with an I-94, an I-130, and I-45? All right. I see all your questions here. Okay. What type of evidence is used for a stepchild? So stepchildren count, right? Stepchildren count as a child for you to sponsor them or them to sponsor you if they're 21 or over. Okay. So you have to show your marriage certificate. You have to show that child is your spouse's child, right? And as long as they're under 21, right, they can qualify, and then hopefully you can live with them, and that also shows altogether that this is a marriage, a valid marriage, and then that child is your spouse's child. So I hope that's helpful. Just remember, if you're sponsoring your spouse and your stepchild, you're going to need separate petitions if you're a U.S. citizen. Okay? Give us a call if we can help you, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm in Washington, D.C. Our team helps clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Also, just a reminder to follow us and like us. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. That's Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. I've come on here. This is one of my favorite parts of the day, to talk to you guys and provide information about immigration. And really, it's great to be able to give you some options that or get you thinking about things that you might not even know have existed in terms of getting you in status or in terms of getting you work authorization. All right. GS says, hello, I'm a fiance in the UK with a USA sponsor. We've met 10 times, international flights. Do I have to include every meeting in my proof of relationship, please? I can't really give you general. I can't give you specific information about your case. I don't know your immigration history. I don't know what other evidence you're providing. So we're not going to go through in detail in this forum, right? But I would invite you to schedule a consultation with us. We'd be happy to walk you through what needs to be included. You can schedule a consultation, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page or our website and schedule a consultation from there. Let me do my best to give you some information about what's required for a fiance visa, right? So one, it's really important to show that your relationship is real. So the more proof that you can include, the better. So the international flights show that you've met in person, which is also another requirement. You have to have met in person in the last 2 years. And then you also have to get married, prove that you're going to get married within 90 days of your entry. So these are all requirements for the fiance visa. Of course, just one international flight to show that you met in person, great. But the more, it just shows that it's a real marriage, right? It's a real situation where you both intend to enter into this marriage together. But don't forget the part where you attest that you are going to get married within 90 days of your entry, and then apply for a green card. Okay? Call us if we can help. 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, or our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Jack says, do you provide an installment payment for an I-130, 485 green card marriage for both the lawyer and the USCIS fees per month, like Boundless? Boundless is very different from us, guys, okay? So we are a private immigration firm. We pride ourselves in really high quality service. We have a whole team working together to work on your case. So Boundless works very differently than us. So I would not compare Boundless to any private immigration firm, number one. Number two, we do provide installment fee. So we have payment plan options for almost all of our cases. Mostly our employment-based cases, we do not have a payment plan option, but for our family cases or our humanitarian cases, we do offer payment plans for most cases. So they come at different levels, right? But you should know our firm, what do we do? So we do a flat rate and we include everything up until the decision in your case. Okay, so then what does that include? So we will work with you. We'll give you the full process of how we prepare your application, and we are preparing your application. We're not asking you to draft this or that. We are drafting it for you. All right. After a detailed intake with you. So that's what we do. Once we file, we check your case status every single week. If something goes out of normal processing times, we reach out to USCIS. We also reach out to local congressmen or senators to help get information about the case, right? We're notifying you about biometrics. If you get a request for evidence, we are reviewing it, giving you a documents list, calling you so you're not panicking, and we draft that response for you. We also accompany you to the interview. We prepare you for the interview, so we do an interview prep. So it's very in-depth to work with a firm like ours. So I would really think about that before you compare. So if you're looking at just price, yeah, obviously different, you get what you pay for, right? You get what you pay for. If you'd like to work with us, if you'd like to have a consultation, please give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients with all types of immigration matters. We're in DC, but our clients are all throughout the United States. If you don't already follow us and like us, please make sure you do that. Share this post with others as well. Okay. Molina says, I just received my prima facie determination letter. What does that mean? Awesome question. Great question. So I just received my prima facie determination. What does that mean? So this comes in a VAWA case, right? So you filed your VAWA case, you get this prima facie determination. It's great news. It's awesome news. It's a great first step. And we describe it like kind of like a pre-approval of your case. It means that you've submitted everything that you needed to submit, and on its face, before the government has run background checks or anything like that, everything looks good and it looks like you would qualify. That's what that means, the prima facie determination. So it's a great first step. Congratulations for getting that. And you can also qualify for some public benefits with this prima facie determination. If we can help you with your VAWA case, give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. All right, my friends, I need to go because my family is waiting for me. But it was wonderful to see all of you today. Share this post with others. Let me know if you have other questions that you'd like me to address. And join me again. Follow us, like us, share this with others, and you'll be notified. And you can join me when I come back on tomorrow. All right. Thank you so much, everybody. Have a great evening. Hope you have a wonderful week, and I wish the best things for all of you. All right, have a great evening. Bye everyone. I'll see you soon.